Hi, this is a really nice gift I got from Element 14 from a Secret Santa, one of the top members. I think I know who it is because I took so long with this video, but there was a reason for that, which I'll explain in a little while. I got two items actually. One of the items has not arrived yet, but the first one has, and it's the product code 1504093. It's a Fiber Optic Tool Kit, which can be used for cutting and polishing fiber optic cables. This is actually extremely useful for me because I've been building a project which needs some fiber optic illumination, so this should be quite interesting to try out. Okay. Oh wow, so, quite a nice case, I think. Awesome. Wow, it's really heavy. Nice. Wow, it's packed. So this is a crimping tool for the fiber optic connectors. So ordinarily, when using a fiber optic cable, they can have a metal ring around them which needs to be crimped. So this is ideal for that. No idea what this is. Oh, fiber scribe. Okay. Toolbox, got accessories, and that's interesting. So the fibre optic cable can be inserted in here, I think. And then you can examine close up the edge surface, the end surface. Okay. Another head for the microscope. Okay. Strippers. And a quite nice pair of cutters. These are for polishing. I had a look at online video, and basically these are for holding the fibre optic cable in a perpendicular fashion onto the polishing area. Wow. There's a lot here, and the reason why I took quite a while to unbox this was because I wanted to get hold of some fibre optic cable to actually try and make use of this, and I've got some somewhere. I've got two different types. This is 2 millimeter thick, 2 millimeter diameter optic cable. And this one's got, I think, 20 strands of 0.25 millimeters. This one's already got a ferrule attached on the end. Okay. I didn't have a flat surface, but I've got a mirror. the right side. And this is the finest paper which I've got, which is 1200 grit. Okay, I've fitted batteries and it works quite well. This is designed obviously for fibre optic network cables, and so to examine them, this is only really good for 0.25mm or smaller fibre optic cables. But I was able to see the individual strands on this particular cable that I've got. I've also now polished both ends using this method. Just as a quick experiment, I set up an LED. This is not a very powerful one, but it'll be good enough for some testing. And I can just power that on and off. And again, I wouldn't obviously use a wood block, but just for quick testing, I made a 5mm hole on one side and a 3mm hole on the other, just to keep things aligned. So I can fit that here. A bit hard. So there it is. And you can see that the beam is actually quite bright. And this is not a particularly bright white LED at the moment. There's only about 10 milliamps of current, I think, going through this. Let's try this one. Okay. There it is. You can see that.